Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to withdraw from Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, it is quite easy. Simply follow me step by step. At the top right, you can see the profile picture right here. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here is deposit, withdraw and transfer. Right now, all you need to do is focus on the withdraw button right here. Click on it, and once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, what you guys have to do is simply select the coin. You can click on the drop down button right here and select from all these options available. Once you've done that, what you guys need to do is simply select the network and enter the withdrawal address. I'm gonna enter all of them right now. Well guys, as you can see, I have entered everything. Now what I'm gonna do is simply head on next. Now that is it guys. Now all you guys have to do is enter the withdraw amount and simply hit on withdraw. As such, it might ask for your confirmation or credentials. Simply provide it to them and that is it. That's how you withdraw from Bitget. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.